I'm Dr. Umair. So we are performing the practical of engineering mechanics. Today we will perform the practical, that is the determination of the reaction of a simply supported beam when the load are applied on that beam. The objective of this practical is when the forces are acting on a simply supported beam, so we have to determine what are the reaction on the supports. So this is our target. So here is the apparatus that we are going to use. The apparatus is very simple. Here is the bar and there are two scales that are representing the supports. Means this beam is supported vertically. Just you can assume it can be supported by vertically downward. So what you have to do, simply first of all you have to bring this scale to the 0 reading. Can you come closer? So you have to adjust the scales to adjust to 0 reading. So once this is at 0, then simply you have to add the load at your choice, where you want to apply the load. It's up to you. So when you will apply the load, you will see there is deflection, or you can see the scale is giving you some readings. So when it becomes stable, you have to note down this reading. Actually this is the reading that is giving you the reaction of the sport. If this is a sport A and this is the sport B, then you will come up with direct reading of reactions at sport B and A. So you also know the weights. The practical is done. You know all the values, mean this is your load and this is your reactions. You find the reaction. The next step is you have to verify the reactions, or you have to calculate the reaction using the numerical method that you've done in the class. We have already done in the classroom, or you can use the manual. For this you have to note the distance from this position to the applied load. In this distance you might note the other distances to find. You can use the three equations, that is moment equation and sum of forces in y direction equation. Then you can find the reaction theoretically. At the end you have to find the difference in theoretical values and the experimental values and calculate the percentage error and verify the results and make discussion. So this is the end of our practical. Thank you very much.